Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to turn off night mode in Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off the night mode in Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, tap on the three line icons at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on the setting option over here, and on this interface guys, you can see the night mode option available for us. Now it's currently turned on. Now in order to turn the night mode off on the Terabox, tap on it, and when that toggle icons turns gray, your day mode or your night mode will be turned off in Terabox. That being said guys, this is how to turn off night mode in Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.